I'm Robbie, I'm a bar supervisor at Superico Bar and Lounge. I help organise the DJs and the running of the events and make sure everything goes smoothly. Edinburgh's a great city. Like, you've got the Fringe Festival, it's magical at Christmas, it's lovely, it's got the history, it's a lovely city to live in. The speakers are amazing. They're a great asset to the venue. It helps to create a great environment. And we have DJs playing Friday, Saturdays. They love playing it. Like, people are desperate to come in and play. Like, we've got backlog of DJs right up to November time. They always compliment the speaker, and it's just good vibes, have good cocktails, nice time in here. It can play to any type of music. It doesn't have to be just loud music. It's like, it can play to everything. Whether you're playing the chiller, bossa nova, or the harder disco, housey sort of music, it caters to everything. No matter where you are in the room, the music sounds great, the sound is brilliant. It's a great thing to have. They fit perfectly, they suit the vibe of the room, they stand out, and the venue wouldn't be what it is without them.